Well, hello, this is Rapha Trader. I wanted to give an update. I didn't trade on live recording. I did trade, but not live recording. I yesterday I have blown the last Apex accounts. I will not buy them anymore because the rules are catastrophic from them. So I give up on Apex. I have 2 Lucid accounts. I started this one yesterday late in the afternoon. So I'm gonna try to pass them because the rules when you have funded are much friendlier. And yeah, this is that. And we have 2. This is here. I tried this with TradeRate. These are take profit accounts. I have now five days traded this one here. There is $490 left to be funded on the first. Second one, I think this is the second day only. I need to trade 5 days anyway, so that's that. And yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with this because, man, 3 years Apex with all the rule change and this back and forward and denied payout. First there was a year-long trading bonds, then the prohibited bonds trading. This is just not, they don't want people to go live trading. They say this in the beginning, they would like to have live trades, but I never heard about anyone in 3 years that is trading live with Apex. So I'm a bit disappointed on them, so I'm not gonna buy anything from them anymore. Besides that, Lucid has a good sale. It's pretty cheap when you start there. And no activation fees. I spent about $4,000 only in activation fees in 3 years for Apex. This is crazy. So until the change, I will not buy anything from them. Okay, so let's show you how do I do that. I'm not so good with this TradeRate stuff. I think it's here, yes, okay. TradeRate today. That's pretty good, huh? 91%. Actually only had one loss, really? $50. That's good. All right, let's see the whole week. This week. All right, here. Well, we trade, huh? A lot of trades, 215 trades. More than 1,000 contracts. The good thing about take profit is micro commissions are really cheap. They are 50 cents round term. So this is half what Apex and half what Lucid charges. So that's why Lucid I trade minis. All right, because look at this. I mean, I made net 2,777. This is about 10% commission goes away. If you do this with Apex, it's 20%. So that's just how it is. So it's disgusting. So good. I had a rough, not yesterday, before yesterday I had a bit of a rough patch here, this one. But other than that, I think I'm scalping pretty well with them. let's hope it's going to continue like that. Okay, so how do I get out here? Okay, here, then here. So we gotta log format main. Here, log out, no orders. Okay, log out, good. So I wanted to show you the dashboard from Lucid. So I think this we can close. Don't need that anymore. No orders. Okay. Exit. Because Lucid does update the dashboard, not at midnight as Apex does. They do it real time. So, let's see, view details. You see, this is one account. This is the first account. What's this? How to do the percentage? Probably only when you're done with the day. But the profit is already here, so here's the other account here. 400, right? So I have a good promo. I used up those. I still have 5 for 40%, and then from them all 30% off. So I will try to pass these 2 and then get to a payout, and then I'll buy 3 more. Goal is to have 5 take profits and 5 Lucid accounts and make 0.5% every day. Yeah, that's my update. How to get out here? Okay. Well, thanks for watching, and leave some comments if you want. If you have some questions, I'm not an expert with Lucid nor with take profit, but anyway, I'm always willing to answer questions. Okay, have a nice weekend. Bye bye.